In this tutorial, we'll explain how the IP ban in Roblox works and how to bypass it. Some may argue that they got a ban for no reason, and in rare cases, this may be true. Regardless of what we did to earn an IP ban, we're likely wondering how to get rid of it, and we've got the answer. Roblox has different types of bans. For instance, we can get banned from specific places by other players or get an IP ban from Roblox moderators. In the latter case, we will be denied access to any Roblox server and get the 403 error message when our IP address is detected. Thus, to bypass the IP ban, we need to change our IP address, as simple as that. This can be done using a virtual private network, VPN. Before installing a VPN, we will need to clear our device of any files related to Roblox. If we're playing on a tablet or phone, uninstall the Roblox app. We can safely reinstall it and log in after we've installed the VPN and changed our IP address. If we're playing on a PC, we'll need to get a new browser. For instance, if we're playing using Microsoft Edge, install Mozilla Firefox or Opera. If we already have two browsers and only use one to play Roblox, we can safely use the second one. One of the most trustworthy and popular VPN providers currently available on the market is ExpressVPN. For this, we have to learn how to install the ExpressVPN app on a Windows, Mac, or Linux PC. If we don't have ExpressVPN, then other VPN can be used to resolve the issue. After your VPN is installed successfully, you will need to change your IP address. Now, you can safely launch Roblox and sign into your account. The ban should be gone. If you find this tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.